It's the best one. This shit, tonkatsu ramen. This shit is bomb, trust me. Thank you. I'm good. Have a good night. Got it. And that's my fucking ramen on the ground. Great. Alright. Time to get some gas. Stuck behind a semi-truck right now. She looks pretty sick right now. You gotta get that little extra bit out. Oh fuck. Alright, let's go to the spot. This song is more dangerous than drunk driving. I gotta watch myself. If any of you guys can tell me what that check thing means, please tell me, cause I have no idea what that means, honestly. I just ignored that. But we're here. Alright, I'm on my way now. I'm not actually too sure how long it is, and I'm actually not too sure how to get there, but I have a slight clue. So, you know, let's go on our way. So I just realized that I was quite stupid, and this thing is about to fucking die. Not very good. However, I think I have a charger, and I also have a phone that I can record with, so let's hope it doesn't come to that, but it probably will. Yes, I am recording on my phone now. Fuck. This is a long walk. I can't lie. Right now, I just got over some hill. I guess that's higher, but I don't really want to go down that. So I'm gonna take this way. We're almost there, I think. I hope. This is not very fun. Spider web. It's disgusting. It's actually starting to get pretty beautiful outside, if I do say so. The sky looks amazing. I'm no longer walking through brush. Okay, that's kind of a lie. I think I'm getting pretty close now. I mean, I've said that a million times, but this time I think I'm telling the truth. My pack is already dirty as hell. I'm gonna stop saying we're close, cause we're not. We're not close. Fuck. You know, there was always one common saying I heard when I was younger growing up here, and that was the 3 rules about bears. If it's brown, get down. If it's black, fight back. And if it's white, good night. And that is because a grizzly bear or a brown bear, if you get down, you know, he might take a nibble out of you, won't think you taste very good, and he'll walk away. A black bear, they're kind of cowards, so he's coming at you, give him a little right hook, 2-piece combo, and he should walk away from you scared as hell. And a white polar bear will just maul you to death, no matter what. I've been walking for what feels like an hour now. We're here. Okay, so this is the cabin I'll be staying in tonight. And somewhere over there is the bat cabin. Now this place used to be open, but they boarded it all up. Looks like someone bashed the door open, so I won't have to go into the window. Not too bad. I've got some good lighting there. Oh, that feels nice. GoPro. I have to set up my whole sleeping stuff here. I have to cook dinner on that wood stove. And then we can do some exploring. Okay, so here's my supplies. I got my sleeping bag, my bivy bag, little blow up pillow, my cot, I don't know why it's in a rice bag, a little hatchet or tomahawk, forgot what that thing's called. Got the crowbar, some cookies, my dinner, some water, a pot, a monster, of course, bear spray, and in here actually, this is a bear banger. Pull this thing back, and if there was the ammo on top, it would release and shoot almost like a firework. And we'll be using that on top of the lake, of course, because I'm not trying to start a forest fire. But yeah, now I gotta get a fire started, get my sleeping stuff together, and yeah. All right, here is my cot in front of the fireplace. Let me show you guys something really cool real quick. This is a blow-up pillow. I'm gonna save some space. Just looks like this. This little thing together. Boom. Comfy ass pillow. Easy as hell. Here we got the sleeping arrangement. Pretty nice if I do say so myself. Time to chill out for a bit. Maybe get that fire started here. Yeah. We got a little bit of wood here. Not too bad. It's our fire starter. That's what we're working with. Let's get this started. That's gonna take a hell of a long time, but soon I'll have ramen.